reply to the discussion on the working of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare raised by Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala on 1st August 2024. Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, to continue his address. No.
माननीय सभापति महोदय.
No, absolutely no. No, I will not allow. This has become a habit. Please, no. Let the minister complete his reply. No, I will not. Nothing will go on record. No, why? No. Forget about it. Take recourse to rules. Randeep, take recourse to rules. Please, I will not allow. Don't create such kind of disturbance. It leaves a very bad impact. Please, don't. Why don't you read rules? There is a provision in rules. Honorable Deputy Leader. Honorable Deputy Leader, Honorable Deputy Leader, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, Shri Pramod Tiwari, please see honorable members. One second. Please sit down. Please sit down. Sit down. No, एक second. Honorable members, the issue raised by Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala is that while addressing the Honorable Agriculture Minister and Farmers Welfare Minister have taken his name. Names are taken numerously. You take recourse to rules. I have nothing before me. I cannot put the house in chaos. Study the rules. I am very liberal. Everyone's reputation I will protect. So please send a communication to me. Honorable Minister, nothing will go on record. Sir, nothing. Honorable Minister. Nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record.
माननीय सभापति महोदय.
What is this? I will name you. Please don't show this paper. Why are you showing this paper? I have come very close to naming you. Why are you showing this paper? Randeep Surjewala, don't show this paper. Honorable members, I hereby name. Don't show it, please. Don't embarrass me. You don't understand such a simple thing. What is this? Honorable Minister, nothing will go on record. Take your seat, Honorable Minister alone. Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan alone will go record. Derek.
माननीय सभापति महोदय. माननीय सभापति महोदय.
प्लीज. अच्छा, अब आपको भी बोलना है. नागर साहब बैठिए. मंत्री जी.
माननीय सभापति महोदय.
आपका भाषण मैंने सुना भी और मैंने पढ़ा भी. मैं उत्सुक हूं. आप बोले. Nothing is going on record.
माननीय सभापति महोदय.
You have no right to address the chair. You are committing a misconduct that I deprecate. I expect the leadership to give you refresher course. No, I will not. Digvijay Singh, I will not allow. 5 people behind you are standing. I will not allow. Please, sorry. Honorable Minister, please continue. It has never happened. No, sir. No. One second. Digvijay Singh जी, अरे आप सुनिए. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Nothing is going on record. Please, can I ask members to take their seat? Take your seat. Your ministry is replying. If there is misconduct in the house, I will deal with it. मुझे पता है. Nothing is going on record.
माननीय सभापति महोदय.
Take your seat, sir. Be comfortable. This man, Randeep Singh Surjewala, belonging to the main opposition party, does not know how to conduct himself in the house. No. Randeep Surjewala, why are you forcing me to name him? Why are you forcing Mr. Okay, gentlemen. One second, sit down. Better. It is my most unpleasant duty. If I see any disturbance now, I seek full cooperation of the leadership. I will have to name the honorable member. If the one second, why are you again, sir? I'm standing. A chairman stands in the house when he finds the member whom I have come close to naming thrice is not listening to me. If you have a grievance, please take recourse to rules. Not now, sir. Write to me. I will deal with it and give you.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, ये ठीक नहीं है.
If you show this paper again, you may be out of the house for a very, very long time, Randeep. Very, very long time. You do not want discussion on farmer. आप किसान की नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं, किसान के बारे में नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं, किसान के हित की बात नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं, किसान के विकास की नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं. ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? नहीं, नथिंग नहीं.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
you continue, please continue. They will not listen.
पीएम किसान सम्मान निधि पर चर्चा कर रहे थे.
I have received these communications from Digvijay Singh ji, Sanjay Singh ji, Randeep Singh Surjewala ji, and again Digvijay Singh ji. I will give my ruling on this. Give my ruling.
So the fact.
Nothing is going on record, Digvijay Singh ji. Digvijay Singh ji, two things. Digvijay Singh ji, two things. Digvijay Singh ji, please listen to me. Please listen to me. Okay. Papers to be laid on the table. Shripad Yashwant Naik.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the house the paper mentioned against my name at serial number 2 of the today's list of business.
आप कर क्या रहे हो? नहीं, सुनिए, आप कर क्या रहे हो? चलो मैं अभी डिस्पोज ऑफ कर देता हूं. सुनिए मेरी बात. दिग्विजय सिंह जी, आप अपने स्थान पर बैठिए. Would you take your seat? क्या कर रहे हैं आप? मेरे को माननीय सदस्यगण, संजय, आई एम डीलिंग विद योर कम्युनिकेशन. मैं जवाब दे रहा हूं ना. आप रुकिए एक बार. मैं बता रहा हूं. मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनिए. उसके बाद आप लोगों को कुछ कहना है, विचार कीजिए. सुनिए, मुझे एक पत्र मिला है माननीय दिग्विजय सिंह जी का. स्थान ग्रहण कीजिए पर. सर प्लीज, आई एक्सपेक्ट मेंबर्स टू शो डेकोरम, प्लीज. और इन्होंने ये मेरे को पत्र दिया है रूल 238(2) के तहत, क्योंकि सदन का संचालन नियमानुसार होता है. और इन्होंने गुजारिश की है कि आई वॉन्ट टू अवेल राइट टू रिप्लाई. यही है. और इसमें इन्होंने 2 आधार बनाए हैं. इनका पहला आधार है कि माननीय कृषि मंत्री जी ने उस समय की चर्चा की जब सम्मानीय दिग्विजय सिंह जी उस प्रांत के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, जिसके शिवराज जी भी रह चुके हैं. और दूसरा, इन्होंने ये कहा कि लोन वेवर स्कीम ऑफ फार्मर इन मध्य प्रदेश के बारे में टिप्पणी की. माननीय दिग्विजय सिंह जी, आपके इस पूरे पत्र को ध्यान में देखने के पश्चात और नियमों के दायरे में रहते हुए मैं यहाँ ये रूलिंग देता हूँ कि अंडर रूल 238 सब क्लोज 2 देयर इज नो राइट ऑफ रिप्लाई. बट विल यू प्लीज सिट डाउन? नो, सॉरी, एक बार बैठिए. नहीं, बैठिए. आई रूल there is no right to reply under Rule 238, Clause 2. If a member feels aggrieved, he has to take recourse to the rule in a different format. I am putting it on record, not according to this. Number 2, I have, honorable members, received another communication today in relation to the address being imparted by the Honorable Minister for Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. This communication is again from Sri Digvijay Singh Ji, from Sri Sanjay Singh Ji, and from Sri Randeep Surjewala Ji. And their assertion in this communication is that Honorable Agriculture Minister have named the undersigned and cast aspersions indicating facts in the course of discussion on the Department of Agriculture. Please grant us an opportunity under Rule 238. So 3 distinguished honorable members, who are very senior members of the House, want to invoke Rule 238 to seek an opportunity to reflect in the matter. Honorable members, I have given my careful, thoughtful consideration. Honorable members do have a right. If another member or a minister casts aspersions or makes a statement that may not be factually correct in the assessment of the honorable members, there is a mechanism, and the honorable members need to avail that mechanism. As and when the honorable members will avail that mechanism, I will consider it and take all actions in accordance with law. Once again, I am extremely serious and conscious that any statement made in the House by a minister or a member has to be factually sanctified. And if anyone is aggrieved, please take recourse to rules. These 2 communications seek to avail Rule 238 for this purpose. I am afraid they have invoked the wrong rule. Thank you. Sri Derek O'Brien, to raise a discussion on the working of the ministry. No, nothing will go on record. You are not, nothing. Take recourse to rules. No, please take recourse to. Please.
लेंगे उसके बाद आप लोगों को मौका दिया जाएगा उस दिन जब सर आपने कहा था सर आपने कहा था उन्होंने मेरा नाम लिया सर
संजय एक बार बैठिए एक बार इसका नथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड एक बार बैठिए माननीय सदस्यगण और you are a member in this house for a second term. I would strongly suggest and urge, please go through the rules and procedure. When a minister makes a reply, he is making a reply. Now, if you are not satisfied with the reply, there can't be question-answer wrestling here. नहीं हो सकता. Take recourse to rules.